still on audio.
Okay.
You can study first, okay?
Okay.
Make a phone call to Kingston, okay?
Okay.
He's you did not check your left side. You have this one star, this you will still be editing. This done not okay. This part is still wrong.
Hi, sorry, my Wi-Fi wasn't working a while ago.
Okay, no problem. You get started, okay? You continue your right side for Kingston. Continue your right side.
Okay.
Okay, go. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Kingston. Kingston, your turn.
Okay. Give me a second.
Share your screen, please.
Yeah.
Okay. This one's still easy. Next one, go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Why do you need the while loop? What's
Isn't
this
it,
for?
isn't it to check if like the length is always gonna be, I don't know.
Hmm?
Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, I can just check it.
So why here plus 2?
So it's exception
Hmm?
because isn't. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, that's. I got confused with the example.
So what's the purpose you have another for loop again?
It's to add the amount of x.
Hmm?
Like if it's here and you see it's not equals to the word, you just add 2 pluses.
you have too many errors because arbitrary do coding. Let me tell you where you are wrong. This number is wrong. You do not check the windows, that's too wrong. This if and if, actually you can use the else. Besides, why you use this for loop, that's wrong. You have at least 3 wrong. You draw some diagram on this or no?
Nope.
So what's your plan?
I think right now I'm trying to fix adding the index here. I
It's
think that's
wrong.
like, oh,
Number one, this whole thing is unnecessary, garbage. You just check if the word it actually is. And before you check it, you have to make sure that your window size is okay. So your I need to be less than. No, here you are going to use integer n equals str the length. You are going to use this many times. So this portion just to handle the if e equals to the word. If not, you just put an else. No.
Then, but I have the noodle and the
Your problem is not the problem is confusion. It's like you are not really you haven't picked up the program design yet. You just piling up codes. You haven't learned what is for, what is actually if. So why do you need to have a if not A, you do something, and then else if A, why do you need that? Here you check if the string that length, string that I and I plus W equals word. And here you say not equals word. Here you say it's equal word. You just use if and else, that's enough. So you are arbitrarily pile up your own code. Okay.
Yeah.
You have big problem. You need to fundamentally redo a lot of homework. Next one, let me have piston. Okay. Go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. What do they want this time?
To find the characters before wait for every chart in the word, you have to find the character before that chart in the string, and you have to add it and return it.
Okay.
Oh, and after. Wait, it's like if there's like a character before like a character in that word, it also doesn't count that in, right? Because like I'm looking at the test cases and it's like the word it says everything after too, before and after. So like X is supposed to have
Yeah, just do it. We want to see if all the x, y, you add this later and this later. So why here SL again? What's your purpose?
It's to go through the entire string.
Why do you need to go into the entire string?
So you can match the word
Which word?
this thing.
How can you
See
match that
this.
word?
But subs. Wait, no. Maybe like double for loop, nested loop,
Why double for loop?
because you can check it
You
individually.
don't need that.
Oh. Oh, substring. Yeah, that works too. Oh yeah, okay. I think I understand now.
So why here word the length?
It's like you have to find the length of it and then add it to the index to make it like a valid substring.
Isn't
I
that you
think-
already calculated WL?
Yeah, I think I need to check if the index is gonna be like an issue.
So why you put the I equal 0 there?
So I think it's more like clear to me that it's checking the front right now. It's like temporarily.
So is that checking the front? Is this checking the front?
Oh yeah, these two.
So what are you doing? This is checking front, this one is checking back.
Yeah.
What are these?
Wait, do you mean this part?
You checking front, you adding back. You checking back, you adding front.
Oh, what was she?
This one, you check the word here. And then you add in the back one. This one, you say you are checking the back and you are adding this one. So what's your purpose? Are you checking front here or are you checking back here?
Wait, let me.
You are not
Let me
checking
join
front
that.
and you are not checking back. You checking nothing. You arbitrarily put a code right here. You are not checking anything. Why are you deleting it?
Oh no, I'm just highlighting it. I'm not
Hmm?
deleting it. I'm just highlighting it. I need to check.
You're totally lost. This one, you just check if the pattern is there or not. There's no check front or check back. It's a garbage. This whole thing a garbage. It's in semicolon here. Incompatible one. Incompatible integer cannot be converted to. Integer cannot be converted to. You're totally messed up. I don't know what you're trying to do. Here it might be some index error. Can you minimize the window? Let's see what's going on. Here, some numbers are wrong. This one, the last one, you are here. This one is S L minus W L. So this one there's no plus one. Here it should be this. You just arbitrarily put a code there. You really don't know which one you are trying to do. I would suggest you to redo the whole AP course. You are totally lost right now. You have no improvement since your AP CSP right now so far. Okay? That's my suggestion. Otherwise, you will fail this course. You arbitrarily just put in something there. You did not put enough effort on this course so far. It's still enough time, okay? I'll suggest that. Redo the course. Next one, let me have Kirsten. Your turn.
I have a question.
Yes.
What's the difference between a list and an array list?
A list is array list is one kind of list. So you do have array list and the list. So array list is make of array. Linked list is list make of link node, but either way they are list. So both are list. So you create array list, that is fine. Return. So you say list integer a list equals new array list. That actually is fine. Array list is
So-
one kind of the list.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. One more problem. That one's easy. So you finish your mapping.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. This function is extremely easy.
Mm.
So after you finish the whole coding back, you are suggested to get started for your user code, okay?
Okay.
You may have studied some user code practice before,
Mm.
but I will suggest you to go back to the beginning part because every year you need to warm up.
Okay.
Even though you may not need to work out every question you have done before, but at least you need to go step by step, making sure you started from easy one to harder one.
Mm.
So maybe somewhere from 2015 and gradually every week, 2-3 problem like that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But because the coding, the user code problem is longer, so we don't need you to be here on Fridays.
Oh, okay.
So what we suggest to do is that when you have questions, you are welcome to actually come back to ask question on Fridays. So Friday would be a question and answer session after you finish the coding back.
Okay.
And then if you have no question, you should shoot me an email saying that, okay, this week I have no question.
Okay.
But usually I'll suggest you still be showing up just to show me what you have done last week.
Okay.
You know
So
what I'm saying? Because
yes.
at most part, we are turning the lecture into a coaching session now.
Mm.
So in the user code, you need to work on the problem by yourself. But we are coaching you, so I need to know how far you are going.
Okay.
And when you have questions, you show up on Friday to talk about it. Maybe you show up 5 minutes and tell me, oh, this is what I have done this week.
Okay.
And I maybe let you go if you have no question.
Okay.
Okay, but if you do have question, we may discuss. Or
Okay.
maybe even I may not be able to solve your problem. I maybe need to go back because the usable problem usually is not something you can solve in 5 minutes.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah.
So we don't want to hold you up for a long time. So you don't need to, you just come in and show up and then saying that, okay, this week I'm done with this and this and this. And then next week I'm planning to do this, this, and this. So you need to set up a planning starting from now to say December 15. There's the first testing in the middle of December, right?
Mm.
You need to set out a plan for your own training of which problems you want to work on.
Okay. So do I just pick?
Usually based on my experience, December is very hard to get past.
Oh,
The easier one to get past is in the January.
okay.
You know why?
Why?
Because December, a lot of students just finish training from summer. So there are a lot of strong competitors in December.
Okay.
So actually, user code is grading not because of not based on how many problems you are correct or wrong. It's based on percentage. They want to keep say 10% or 5% for silver.
Oh, okay.
They don't care how good you are. They just want to keep 10%.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So December, you just be loose, pass, no pass is okay. And then, but January, you need to be more serious.
Okay.
That's what my suggestion. Why January is easier? You know why?
Why?
Because January, a lot of students are having the final.
Oh, oh.
They don't really put a lot of effort into the user code.
Mm.
So usually that is a better time to pass.
Mm.
So many years I have been coaching a lot of students. Many of them pass the user code in January or February.
Mm.
March one is tough usually. Your March one is national open, so the
Oh,
problem set is much harder.
okay.
So you need to get yourself warm up and then try to test on December. Pass, no pass is okay. We don't care that much, but try to shoot for passing it in January or February. If
Okay.
you miss both, if you say you miss both, your chance to pass this year will be low.
Okay.
The national one, US Open one, I think usually is much harder.
Mm.
And yeah, question?
For the training, do I just pick problems from the website? So from 2015 and I keep going upwards.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
pick the question from the 3 source, training site, and also the past exam problems, and also the user code guide.
User code guide. What's that?
Yeah, user code guide is let me show you.
Oh, this one? This one?
Yeah, but that
Oh,
one
okay.
I
Okay.
don't strongly suggest. I don't suggest that one because that one is done by a few high school students.
Oh, okay.
So those people actually they put the problem too hard. So some students get really frustrated.
Okay.
So I would suggest you to do this. You actually do there are problem 1, 2, 3. Usually 1 is easy, 2 is medium, and 3 is hard. So usually do one week for these 2 problems and 1 week for the hard problem.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
And then you get started for a few weeks, maybe 1 month. Then after that, you try to finish the whole set in a month, in a week. Initially, you probably just work on two problem one, problem two, and then problem three the next week. When you get
Okay.
much better, you feel like, okay, the 1, 2 are actually easy for me. Then you start to work on 3 problems a week. If you can finish 2 problem, 2 set a week, I think you are about to pass.
Okay.
But don't get started like try 20, 24 in the first week. You will get so frustrated. You don't try that. You actually try 2015 and then gradually 1 year by 1 year, because initially they don't care about they really don't care about the complexity of the algorithm. And then when you approach in the later years, they start to worry about the complexity of the algorithm. So
Okay.
those problems actually, I mean, if you pick the problem in the 2024 or 2023 or even 2022, the problem of the bronze level is almost like a gold in the 2015.
Oh, okay.
So 2015, you practice some silver, some gold, that's actually even fine. Okay.
Okay.
But get started from easy one. You need to work out first. Don't rush yourself too much. Otherwise, you will go into trouble as well.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
every year is easy to pass. Okay. It's very easy
Okay.
to pass. Okay. You continue your functional to finish it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Next problem.
前面的5个不算的，还是出现 part 的时候是 number five， 是不是？就是第一个 part， 可是说它可能就是规律的，就是分为几个一个1、2、3、4、5，第6个，中间就会得6，所以就变11号，是不是？再6个就变17个是第2个。这是第3个，再6个，
One more problem.
那第13个，它中间有
Stephen, you suggest to use another email account to start calling back again by yourself, okay? Because you need to have more practice. You get started from the beginning part again.
Yeah.
You rush yourself too much. You did not pick up too much skills. You overlook this course. So why less than 0? Why your content need to be less than?
Oops.
Okay, so let me have it's your turn. So Kingston, how many problems you have done before in the user code so far?
Uh,
Roughly.
like
是前面有做过
I did the contest from 2023 and 2024, but then I also practiced some older problems. So
So what's your
Uh,
score before?
I got the best one was I got 2 questions correct.
So somewhere around 700.
Yes,
Okay.
666.
Almost there. You were actually, so look like you are blocked by some level 3 problems.
Yeah, because like you have to make it fast and it's really annoying.
No, you need to know about what's dynamic programming before you can pass the third one right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I roughly know what way you are, but the first 2 problems, you also need to be faster to buy more times.
Yeah.
Okay, continue, okay? Go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. One more problem. It's easy. So why you need the 0? Why you need to do if? So why you, yeah? Okay. Let's now go back to Kingston. Kingston, your turn.
I finished the
Okay.
function too.
Then see you next time, okay?
Okay.
So next
Bye.
time you come back and show me how much progress you have.
Okay.
But you do need to practice every week, okay? Don't break it.
Yeah,
So
of course.
don't like it's a training, okay? It's actually coaching time now.
Okay.
So how hard you try, you will determine whether you will pass or not, okay?
Okay.
So
So
you should practice hard. So I would say initially maybe 2 problems a week, and then you add in the low, maybe it's 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, as much as you can.
okay.
Okay?
So should I just start with 2015 and then next week I'll show you which one I finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start with the 2015. Okay?
Okay. Bye.
You can
Thank
do
you.
this, okay? You can actually when you want to show me, you actually just screenshot the pass card.
Okay.
You pass it, it will give you the green picture. You just take the photo of the green picture. I just did that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even though you may have practiced it before, those problems you can still submit it. Just make sure you warm up the idea, because sometimes there are problems to code doing the geometrical computing. Some are linear programming, some are maximum numbers, some are a lot of things that you need to warm up. Okay,
Yeah,
just because
okay.
you want to pick up your speed. It's just like you run 100-meter dash. That means that you don't need to run marathon or a mile run to build up your endurance. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Good night then. Good night.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
call back to Steven. Steven, your turn.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, go. 392. No problem. You must rebuild your fundamental, okay? Otherwise, you cannot go up to tougher
Yeah.
problems. You will face problems. Why are you stopping here?
I'm thinking I might have
What is no ones?
like there's like the entire way there's no one.
Yeah, no one. So what will happen when no ones?
You have to if there's no ones you have to
So what's your one for? What's your available one for?
it's to count.
Yeah, you count. You know you let your counter. So you use your counter for what?
To check if it's
So
greater
no
than 0.
one equals 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So no one means 1 not equal 0 or 4 not equal 0. Why you do the not? What does this means? What does this really means?
Yeah. Oops.
What's that? What does this means? Tell me what does this means.
It's just you can't really do that because it's not Boolean value.
Yeah. So why are you doing it?
I think
So
The-
how could you say 1 not equal 0?
like this.
Yeah. So just write it. So why end?
Or it contains more.
It says or.
Oh. Wait, I think I made it a little bit too complex for myself.
No, you don't remember anything. That's your problem. These are just 1 plus 1. It's very easy. So Given an array, return true if it contains no one or it contains no false. Contain no one or no false. So no one, this is
No one, then
not equal 0 is actually has one.
yeah.
So this one equals 0. Go.
It doesn't need to check if the other one's right.
What do you need to have if go? Your fundamental is so weak. Okay, we are 9 o'clock. You need to rebuild it, okay? You need to get a new email account, no matter an email account from your parents or your father or your whatever, your brothers. We do this coding back from scratch. You
Okay.
need to coach yourself to finish it in as soon as possible. You are behind. Good night then, bye bye.